Sa NBA ngayon, palaliman na ang labanan. OKC proved it, and in free agency, these teams are following suit. Isa na dito ang Houston Rockets. They traded for Kevin Durant and retained key free agents and signed some more, like Dorian Finney-Smith and Clint Capella. Sobrang solid nung 10-man rotation yun. Ayaw din pahuli ng Atlanta. They traded for Kristaps Porzingis and signed Nickeil Alexander-Walker to add to the depth chart of wings na nandun na si Jalen Johnson, Zach Risache, and Dyson Daniels. Lalim. The biggest mover so far, Denver Nuggets. They traded Michael Porter Jr. for Cam Johnson, who is a better fit alongside Nikola Jokic. They got back Bruce Brown, a key player in their title run, plus Jonas Valanciunas and Tim Hardaway Jr. That team just got really strong. Out of Houston, Atlanta, or Denver, sinong biggest threat sa title defense ng OKC Thunder?